Welcome students. So in this video I am going to teach you the lesson number 7 variation. So let us begin with practice set 7.1. Now here the first question is write the following statements using the symbol of variation. Circumference C in bracket C is given of a circle is directly proportional to its radius r. So now here circumference is given, the symbol is given, so you have to write that as circumference is C and radius also is given, so r. Now here what is given, it has been told that it's directly proportional. That means what is the formula? If I say x is directly proportional to y, then how, in which way I will write x directly proportional to y. And the next step is, this is the formula which I am telling you. X is equal to k upon y. Now here you will say why I have added the k. It is the constant of variation. It's the rule of maths. You have to add k. This was about the direct variation, but in inverse variation the formula is different. Later I will teach you what is inverse variation. Now in direct variation, so as I told, x and is directly proportional to y. So here C is directly proportional to r. So C A R. Here A is alpha. It's a Greek letter. Now second question, consumption of a petrol in bracket it's given L in a car and distance traveled by that car D are in direct variation. So consumption of petrol you have to write L and distance traveled by the car as D. So what will be the in which way you will write it? L is directly proportional to D. Okay, next. Now next question in practice 17.7.1 is complete the following table considering that the cost of apples and their number are in direct variation. Now apples के लिए भी symbol है and cost of apple number of apples also symbol is being given. So here in place of this blank you have to fill the number. So first thing you have to find out what will come. Now always remember, if this kind of table comes, then the first one is always filled. So you have to take into consideration these two numbers for finding out the k, that is the constant of variation. Now here let us begin. X is directly proportional to y. This is given. So next step of this formula is x is equal to k into y. So what is the x given? As I told you, you have to consider this one. So what is the x given here? 1. So 1 and y is 8. So this one will come. And next step is, now in place of x you have to write 1 and in place of k value we have to find out. We don't know the value of k. So k will written as it is into y. So means 8 will come. Now this you have to divide it. This k will go in the left hand side and this 1 will come in right hand side in the numerator and this 8 will go as a denominator. So your constant of variation, that is k, is equal to 1 upon 8. So what you got, the equation of variation, x is equal to k's value you have to write over there, 1 upon 8 into y is the equation of variation. Now here if you see, you have to fill, this one is being asked. First we will find out this one. So number of apples, that is x, you have to find out, y is given. So first step, y is what? 56 given to you. X is equal to same formula you have to write here, that is k into y. So x is equal to here k we find out 1 upon 8 into what is y? 56. So divide it. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. So x is equal to 7. That means here number of apples is 7. Now in second case, if I'll see cost of apples is being asked and x is given, that is 12. So same condition you have to write. X is equal to 12, x is equal to k upon y, same formula. So replace the values and you will get y is equal to 96. Okay, we got y is equal to 96 here. And in the third case, x, that is number of apples, is being asked. So yeah, so here y is given 160. So same formula, replace the values. K की जगह पे 1/8 डाल दो into 160. So x is equal to 20. See, 20. Now I have filled the table and I have shown in front of you. Okay, so let us begin with the third sum. If A means what I said, A is alpha letter. M is directly proportional to N, and when M is equal to 154 and N is equal to 7, find the value of M when N is equal to 14. So M is directly proportional to N, means M, A, N. A means actually it's in this way. So it's given M is equal to K into N. So K is a constant. What is the value of M given to you? It's 154 and N is equal to 7. Write it. Next step, replace the values, do the calculation. 7 ones are 7 and 7 22s are 154. So K is equal to 22. K is the constant of variation. So in this way, always remember, in the first step is to calculate the constant of variation, that is the value of K. So afterwards, M is equal to, now what will be equation of variation that you have to write? M is equal to 22N is the equation of variation. Now M is being asked and N is given. N is equal to 14. So same way, same formula. Here I have not wrote the formula again. M is equal to K N. This is the formula. Replace the values. K we got 22, N is given 14, M is equal to, calculate 22 into 14, 308. Next, okay, so this our question is, y varies directly as square root of x. In each case, simply x or simply any other letter was given, but here it's given square root of x. When x is equal to 16, y is equal to 24, find the constant of variation and equation of variation. Both is being asked. So let us begin. A is directly proportional to root x, not x. Simply you cannot write x, root x. So it's given. Then y is equal to k into root x. So x is what given? It's given 16 and y is equal to 24. Replace the values. 16 will remain in root only. Afterwards, 16 का square root क्या है? It's 4. 4 is the square of 16. You have to find out square root of 16, that is 4. So what you will do, in bracket you will keep 4. So k you will take on this left hand side and this 24 will go in this side, numerator. So what will be? It will be 24 upon 4. So constant of variation, that is k is equal to 6. Now next step, the equation of variation. Means in the question it's not given to calculate anything, just as it has been told, you have to find out constant of variation and equation of variation. So the equation of variation, same formula you have to apply. Y is equal to k and x, root x here in this case. Okay, so same, that will be your equation of variation. Just you have to replace the value of k. When equation of variation is been asked, just you have to replace the value of k. others you need not have to put the values, y और x वैसे